So this is so cool. I love the packaging on this. I just love when packaging is well designed. I've been spending a lot of time on that lately, but this is from DermOne as well. So this is getting into their blemish perfecting, so their acne treatment. And so this is something that they are pioneering the charge in the green space. And so this product I think is such a good buy. I mean, you can't go to a drugstore and get something much worse quality for, like, they are giving an excellent deal for this product. There's a lot of product here. So this is their skincare. This is their blemish corrector. I really like this I started getting a lot of maskne, if we know. I still have a little bit of it left over, but I was going out a lot and masking up a lot, and my skin was noticing that and started reacting. And I think I also wasn't doing a very good job of drinking enough water last week. And so my skin sort of reminded me that that's important. And so this blemish corrector has really done a lot for me, just like to go in and fix those impurities that popped up this last week. And so this has prebiotics in it, which I think is really interesting because we hear a lot about probiotics, but not as much about prebiotics. This is a prebiotic formula. And this is something you use a cotton swab, a thin layer of product directly on the affected area. You can use it 1 to 3 times a day. It's really effective at night. So as you're toning down and you're looking for something to clear up your skin for the next day, just put this on a little cotton swab. We all have our areas, we all have our issues, and we know what they mean. We won't pick on mine, but we all know what they are. So this is really something that's going to just perfect those things that the world throws at us. So it's a great deal. It will be up in my store. All of these will be up in my store as well. So if you're thinking about it, you want to read about it more before deciding, I would encourage you to just go right ahead and trust your gut on this one and get this from DermOne. Sorry, my it's light's a little bright, but pretty rose gold. I just love like when companies invest in good packaging, it means a lot. So just know this is really cool. This is what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to my next product. But thank you, DermOne, for everything that you sent me to try. You guys don't miss out.